Right, good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Right, so come spend a day in Hanoi with us. We're gonna go to Mad Monkey now I'm gonna get the Big Mac burrito, not burrito, tacos, because I had them the other day and they was bad. So I'm gonna have that. I don't know what my Julie's having. And then we're gonna just have a mooch around out markets. And after the markets we're gonna have tea probably. I want barmy again because I had one last night, the stir fry steak one, it was bad. And then we're going to go to the train street. So let's get into it. On our way to Mad Monkey now. Sunglasses store. Starving man, I can't wait for these tacos. Absolutely can't wait. Whoa! These roads man, you've got to look like everywhere, everywhere. You don't look left and right, you do a full 720, whatever it is. 70, I think it's 720. Quick maths that. So yeah, we're just walking to Mad Monkey now because we're absolutely out Marvin.
Not this turn, the next, not this left, the next.
Yeah, alright. Look man, we're literally walking in the road because all the mopeds are just on the pavement. Oh, look at that. What? Oh yeah, look. Look at that Army Legend. Nah. Right, this is what we've got to cross now. We may as well go across that way, haven't we? Right, I don't know how we're going to cross here now.
Oh no. I don't know how. Yeah.
Oh man. I'm just going to have to go for it. Just come round us with it. Come on man. Right, you're there, we're going to go now.
Oh my god.
We'll be out in the car. You just got to literally just walk and just hope for best. Because they will not stop. They just won't stop. Ooh, someone have a paneer chocolate, whatever they called. No thank you. I want a coffee as well, not a coffee this morning. We've got out of bed at 12 o'clock. Lazy us two today, very lazy. I were up at 8:30 as well, I've just been scrolling from before. She got up at 10 and she just done the same. Yeah, it's had 2 11-hour sleeps in 2 days. So it's 12:15. I don't know why it took me so long to read my phone then, a bit of a daze. Yeah, it's 12:12. We've not had a brew. I know who knows me knows so well I need a brew in the morning. I need about 4 actually. All day you see all day you see like locals and stuff just getting about. Like, do they seriously just not work? Do you know what I mean? Like, why are they not at work? Like, why is this? Yeah, but it's all day though, they're just not here. Obviously you have the ones like the street workers that are just promoting the inside businesses and that, but the rest of them, they just sat chilling or just walking about. Yeah, kids are never in school, they're always
I think it's their 6-week holidays to be fair. Oh no, they should be over now. They were Christmas.
Yeah, the kids are always just getting about. There's so many backpackers, like there's just 2 just walk past us then. So many backpackers man. And these shops are elite. A grab jacket, I'm going home with a grab jacket before we go. I'll get one from Thailand actually. Yeah, I'll probably get one from Thailand. I'm not getting one here because I have to carry it for a couple of them. Nearly, pal, nearly. Oh, bless you. So yeah, let you know we're at Mad Monkey because I'm not walking around. I need to actually focus on these streets because it's so dangerous, man. Madison's just nearly been wiped out by that car though.
Second time?
Yep, second time. The first time nearly broke a wrist. So we've arrived at Mad Monkey. Pink Tuesday, what's going on here? Yeah, they've got black on and plus we're loading. Get me some scran, man. Oh, the eggs Benedict. Yes. Oh, eggs Benedict. Get me them tacos right now. So we've got local coconut coffee.
That's all coconut.
Yeah, it looks bad. That is literally just coconut and obviously coffee. Oh. That's nice, but it tastes a bit like alcohol. That's bad.
No, that tastes like pina colada, doesn't it?
Right, I'll let you know when scran's here. This is the face of a man who's ordered the wrong scran.
I might not like it though, and I love yours.
No, you won't. No, you won't. That looks fit, man. Tandoori, what is it? Pizza?
On a pizza bread.
Tandoori pizza. Well, she took that, we've not got all our food. Tandoori pizza.
With yogurt.
With yogurt. And hand cut chips. Get me my scran right now. Scran's here. Tacos and chips, man. God, this sauce is spicy though. Give these tacos a cheesy well. There you go. There you go. Scran done. Look, pink balloon set there. Scran done. I had that coconut coffee and it was freezing. It just made me so cold. I feel like I'm shivering, man. Don't help it, the aircon right above my sleeve as well. Shut up. So I'm freezing. Yeah, I need to get myself some Birkenstocks or something, man, because I'm sick of wearing cock. And do you know what it is? Like, every time I wear my shoes, my feet sweat. So I just don't want to wear my shoes. And they're a bit dirty, I need to clean up. So I need some Birkin boots. But every time I go and get some, they're either too much or they're the wrong ones. So yeah, let's go and find some of them. Man, I think I'm coming down with an illness or something. A bit cold. Bit cold, my nose is running. Throat feels like sandpaper. Get off you. Get away. I'm so close to these people I'm walking on. I literally that far away from your toes. Walking like that. Right, I'll let you know when we get near the shops. We'll see you there. Right, let's go and try and haggle someone down for some Birkenstocks, man. Because they're all saying like 700, 800 and I don't really want to be paying more than 550 probably. Yeah, 550 I'll pay. I'll take that one. Got them, but they've not got. Yeah, they have, they're going to know. They've got them. See them. Get them ones, but I'd ruin them within. Oh, check that, you sorts of fella though. Get them, but I'd ruin them within. Excuse me, how much? How much? What's cheapest?
Very cheap though.
How cheap can you do it?
Only 650. I'm not starting high price. I have good leather. Because in Hanoi we have few fake, not one fake. It's depend.
Can you not go any cheaper than that?
Very good quality, my friend. Lấy mày 630.
520?
No money though. What size? 39 That's why
Not for me.
For you For you, what size?
42.
Maybe I check in no side. 600 best price. I check side for you.
Not do 550. No, it's okay then. Okay. Nah. Someone will do it. Someone will definitely do it. You gotta get the women, man. The women give you more leeway. You can stand there and buy with them a little bit better. Yeah, he is the lowest up to now though, 600. Different colour, but
you know, he's the guy that's. This is the one where he's quite expensive. With the glasses and.
oh no, yeah, he said like 900 last time. Fuck that, right, nope. Yeah, he said like 900, didn't he? We'll try to get the girl, just like. I think that's it though, up to now, on this side. Oh wait, there's one more shop here. Try this one, and then if not, we're going to go down to the other thing. See if we can get. See if we can get them down. So we'll get some for 550. Let's see. Oh, they only got a leather one. Oh, I don't want the leather ones. Soon warmed up me. Hello. No, thank you. Oh, what snag watch. Right, I'll let you know when we find another shop, because up to now we're paying 600. But no, we seen one yesterday, didn't we? He said 540. But there was black. I didn't really want black, but I will get the black ones if I have to get the black ones. But yeah, I'll let you know when we next get to the shop. Oh, that top circle. This is one with Maldino. That is sick. So I'll let you know when we find some more, but up to now, paying 600. That guy behind me there on pedal white, he's making bird noises. Oh, they've got him.
Yeah, what's the other now?
We're gonna get them. How much?
850.
Oh, can I do cheaper?
750.
What do you want to be paying?
550.
550 I want. Not do 550? No problem. Yeah. She just completely just no. Not even trying to barter down, she's no. Oh, they've not gone there. I've got my heart set on the brown ones, but the black ones are cheaper, so I might as well just get the black ones. For the sake of just colour. Oh, it took my arm off. Oh man. Oh, what was the brown one? 600. See what he says. If he goes to 540, we'll get them for 540, but if they're not, we'll get the 600 ones for brown. Because nowhere else is going to go lower. Whoa! You know.
Which I think is why it's so hard to find here.
Right. Let me just see if they've got. 1 minute. Birkin.
Suede
Black
leather.
suede. No, I can't find them.
So yeah.
Oh yeah? Yeah, they have got them. Yeah, they are. Oh, I don't know actually. Yeah, in Birkenstock. Alright, come on. Let's go and get them. Yeah, Max Cafe. I think it's only here as well. Look at her, she's 10 men. These bros are manic, man. Look his wig. Looks like a pint of Guinness. Actually looks like a pint of Guinness. Shut up. So annoying. Listen, it looks like a pint of Guinness. Shut up. What is that? Right, where's this shop now? I can see it. Can see the shop. Can see it, man. You cross over. I ain't crossing nowhere like that. Over like that. No way. Right, let's see if we can get you on one day. It's a different guy though, so I don't know if we're going to do it. Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Look at that one.
Have we got the lighter brown suede?
No. What?
How much?
Huh?
How much? Price?
580 for you.
580?
580.
You not do 500, I'll buy them now.
You come back thì I give you why
500?
and that I cannot.
What's cheapest?
550 for you. 550.
540? Buy them now, 540.
Okay.
Yes, deal.
What size?
Let me try 42 on.
You try.
Do you reckon them on?
And the tight one as well, like.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can tie the front, yes. I'll have them ones. 42.
42.
Yes, 42. Yeah.
Hôm qua nó hỏi rồi. Do something else?
Yes, look. Have you got Saka top? Saka?
Sucker.
Arsenal. Right. Oh. How much for the football tops?
Huh?
How much for the football tops?
Đúng không?
Yeah, how much? Price?
Sai á? What team?
She'll look now. To her. Oh. No shorts, just the top. No shorts,
No, sorry, only t-shirt.
just the top.
Yes.
Who is it though? Bellingham. Kaka. Got Real Madrid and Ronaldo. Who's better, Messi or Ronaldo?
Huh?
Messi or Ronaldo? Who do you like?
Messi á.
Messi.
I want to.
No, who do you think's better? Messi or Ronaldo? Messi.
Yeah.
Can we pay for the shoes? With the shoes?
Sure. You á?
Yeah, the Birkenstocks.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, these ones. Yeah, you got a bag? Bag.
Yeah. You something else?
No, just the shoes, please. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bang on, yeah.
You.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, come back, yes. That one was easy enough. What did we pay then? 550? 540? Did you give him bang on, yeah? Boom, secured the Birkenstock.
17.
Yeah, 17 quid.
Did you check
Quite
over?
needed them.
There were no marks on them or anything.
Just fluff marks, what they'll come off. Goes in. Are they both 42? Yeah, both 42, yeah. Right, yeah. Bosh! Birkenstock secured. What we're doing, putting them in the room?
Yeah, because I'm going to get changed.
Right, we'll put these in the room now. Get out of the way.
You remind me over.
They don't care, them boys. Right, come on. Yeah, put these in the room, then we're going to have a walk to Train Street. I don't think there's a train yet, though. Train's in tonight, but go have a look, see what's what. and then from there decide what we're doing. Probably have another mooch. Oh man, I'm gassing in. Have another mooch, and then the train actually comes at 7:45. Hello. No, thank you. No. No, I'm okay. I just say the no the first time. I forgot what I was saying now. What was I saying? So yeah, I go there, but the train's not till 7:45, I think. So I'm probably gonna have to go back tonight to see the actual train go by. So yeah, let's go put these in the room first. Right, got a shower, quick change, and we're off to the train street. I don't know what I'm going on, but I'm the most trendiest guy at the world right now. I've got a Japan top, joggers I've had on for like 3 days, and the Birkin boots with no socks on. So yeah, we're off to the train street. It's a bit of a mooch, man. It is a bit of a mooch. I look very trendy, right, because I packed all my clothes, and this top's one of the thickest tops, so I need to just like obviously not pack that one, not pack this one, because it'll take one more room, and pack all the smaller ones. So yeah, I think we're going to get a grab because it's a 25-minute walk, and I don't really fancy walking 25 minutes. But we're going to see what she wants to do in a minute and see if we can get a grab or not, because if we can't, then we are walking and we'll be soaking. Right, so we've arrived at Train Street. Yeah, and we're going to walk down. Literally, you're walking on the tracks. This is madness. I thought the tracks in Sri Lanka were bad. This is next level. Definitely gonna sit in one of these cafes here and have a drink. Definitely gonna sit in one of these cafes and have a drink on. 100%. Look, man. Wow. I thought it was just a bag of rubbish on the track. We're gonna go in here for a quick coffee. Where do you want to go? Yeah, so we're gonna go and have a quick coffee. Might get a beer actually. Yeah, it's gonna be I want a bottle. So I've seen a trick, you put a bottle top load, it's cost you, and you keep it as a souvenir, man. Sick, man. Right, so let's go in here. We're sitting here.
Yeah, we're sitting on yet.
Oh, check out the tattoo as well. Minging toes. So he sat down at a coffee place and he didn't give me the bottle top, so I'm going to have to ask him for the bottle top closer to. Oh, got a hole in here. He's sat literally on. So I'm going to have to ask him for the bottle top when the tray closer to the time so I can put it on the track and it'll flatten it for me and I'll keep it as a souvenir. This beer, man. I can't believe he's just got a bag of rubbish on tracks. Madness. So yeah, what time's it now? What time's it now?
6 o'clock.
Oh, so we've got an hour and 10 minutes until the train comes. Bottoms up. I'll let you know when it's here. Everyone else has put the bottle tops on. He said 5 minutes, so I don't know what everyone's shitting it for right now. So yeah, let's see what it's like in a minute. all gone? How can I not seen them?
I got 2 Hanoi there. Well, I want a blue one.
Yes, sick. That's bad boy. I got one of each. That's sick, man. Bad boy. So we only waited about an hour and 40 minutes for that.
Thank you.
So yeah, we've done it. You know what, I couldn't actually see any then, he's spotted them straight away.
You just need to open your eyes.
Got ballooning. Sure. Sure survived. Looks sick. So close, man. There was so many times where I like, bring my knees in even more, like breathing. Yeah, that's the train street done. I pooed it a little bit when it started coming towards me.
Thank you.
But yeah, we've got a flight at 3:30 in the morning, so we're gonna have to go back to the room soon. Finish. Got a little bit of packing to do, a little bit of editing. Go back and have an early night. We need an early night because we have to get up. But we have to get up at 3 in the morning. And the flight, I don't even know when the flight is, but we've got to get up at 3 in the morning, that's all I know. So yeah, that's the train street. Let's squash the bill and let's get off. Right, we're leaving. We're leaving Charing Street. Let's get home. Get to sleep because I am knackered. I don't even know why I'm tired because we slept until, well, I slept until 8:30 and we've been getting up at 7. What's he doing having a face off of a chicken, weirdo? So yeah, I slept until 8:30 and I didn't even get out of bed till 11. I don't know where we're going here, but it is around. Ooh! You just been wiped out. So yeah, I'm knackered, man. Let's walk back to the room. What?
So where the hell were you taking us? No,
Thank you.
Where the hell were you taking us before? It's an 8-minute walk.
I was coming here. Which way? This way?
Why is it saying
No, thank you.
Good for you.
We went on one of them the other day, and I swear to God, right, we had me and Madison on it, our 2 big backpacks on it, our 2 small backpacks on it, yeah, and 2 other small bags, right? It was tipping. So we put all that on it before we even got on the back. So it was like that. Yeah. So it was like that. The guy got in it, just about balanced it out, and he had to lean backwards the full ride to obviously keep us balanced. There was about, I don't even know what me and Madison were, but there was 40 kgs worth of bag, maybe more, just up front, plus me and Madison. We're going here?
Yeah.
Right. Someone smells good. Oh! Oh! Oh!
450
Yeah, well,
in our bank.
Why's it back?
Yeah.
We've just got the refund back from Jasmine, 450 views. So yeah, let's go and get a breakfast bar or something for the morning. Oh, I might get a croissant actually. We've got one up there, which is nice. So yeah, let's just do our shopping here and I'll be back with you. Shot run done. We've got, show you what we've got. So I got a big chocolate croissant and Madison got a breakfast bar. My chocolate croissant was 10,000 and that's, I don't know how much that is, that's about 30p. Yeah, I think it's 30p. And Madison's breakfast bar was 19,000. So I'm just concentrating on not getting run over. Yeah, hers were 19,000 and mine were 10,000. It's so cheap, man, when you do it like this. Like today, but today, because obviously we didn't pay for breakfast or we didn't buy a coffee or anything in the morning, we went to just straight for dinner and we bought dinner. Dinner were a bit dear, but it obviously doesn't really matter. But because we only pay for dinner and we've not had tea, we've got some noodles in room. We're just having the noodles, and then we've got a couple of beers and some chips. I spent next to nothing really, apart from buying the beers. But yeah, that's another day with Big Al. Another day.
20 quid all day.
Yeah, I spent about 20 quid all day.
Not including your shoes, obviously.
No. But yeah, another day, another dollar. And that is the end of today's video. So I will see you tomorrow.